Welcome to MEU. As you prepare for the new semester, here is a quick guide to complete your registration successfully. First, open this link, portal.meu.edu.lb. You will need to log in with your MEU Gmail account, otherwise you will not be able to continue. There, you will see your student portal and all the holds you need to remove before completing your registration. Step 1. Plan your schedule. To remove hold 1, you have to meet with your academic advisor and plan your course schedule. You can find your assigned advisor by logging into records under the section Holds Information. There, you can see who your advisor is or look at the list below. Step 2. Approve your classes. To remove Hold 2, you need to go to Student Plan Approval, click the blue link, then you will see all the assigned classes. If you approve, go to the green button at the bottom of the page and click Remove Hold. Once you are done, go back to Dashboard to complete the other holds. Step 3. Update your personal information. To remove also hold number 3, check your personal information carefully. Confirm your contact details, your home address, and your emergency contact information. Don't forget to save every section and then remove the hold. Step 4. Fill the medical form. To remove hold number 4, the medical hold, you will need to fill the form by clicking on the blue link to enter the information. For further help, you can always meet with the Student Health Coordinator. Step 5. Picture hold. To remove hold number 5, make sure you have shared a passport-size photo of yours with the admissions office, or you have already emailed it to our photographer, who will upload your picture to your profile and remove this hold. Step 6. Visit the finance office. To remove this hold, once all your academic steps are complete, visit the finance office, where you can find it in the main University Hall building, to finalize your payments. Please remember, the financial step can only be completed during the registration week. Congratulations! You are officially registered for the semester. Please make sure that you receive this information by email. If not, you can always contact the office of the registrar. Welcome to MEU. May you have a great semester.